How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today we're going to talk about how to get the Sui airdrop. We all know that Arbitrum was a massive opportunity where some people made thousands and thousands of dollars for barely doing anything. Sometimes people didn't even try to get the airdrop. They were just using the network. Now, there's some potential that you can make a lot of money from this new Sui airdrop that could be coming here soon. It is a very large deal, and it's a very large opportunity, which I want to talk about. If you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you can see future videos when I post just like this. And if you want to know what I'm buying and selling in crypto, you can check out the link down below to the Patreon. Now, what exactly is Sui? And I'm going to get myself out of the way because the camera quality isn't that good here, as we are just finishing our traveling in Greece. So let's show what's really important here. So Sui is a decentralized proof of stake blockchain with horizontal scalability, throughput, and storage. They have aimed to be a step function advancement in blockchain technology that will allow creators and developers to build experiences for the Web3 users. The project is created by former senior leaders at Facebook's Meta Advanced Blockchain Research and Development Organization. The team first came together to form Miston Labs. Sui is the native token of the Sui platform. Sui has a maximum supply of 10 billion tokens, and they have four main purposes. The Sui token is for gas fees, staking, governance, and an underlying asset for the Sui economy. We know that the community is really important for the Sui Foundation. They said here in a blog post that the Sui Foundation will make the rewarding and distribution of Sui tokens to Sui's early community members a topmost priority, which is why a lot of people think that an airdrop is coming. So what do we have to do exactly? Because this can be a little bit difficult for newer investors. Well, first, I think, again, we need to know what's behind the token itself. They did raise a $300 million valuation, $300 million raise at a $2 billion valuation. Some of it was led by Binance, Coinbase, A16Z Crypto, Jump Crypto, Circle Ventures, and FTX, among other companies as well. So first of all, we should go through how you can actually start to become eligible for the airdrop. Install the Sui Wallet Chrome extension, and I'll leave a link to this underneath the video. This is the article that I'm using, so you can follow along for yourselves. But first of all, I've already done a lot of this. So you go and add the Sui wallet here first. You will then be taken to another page on the Sui wallet after installation where you can get started. So when I go over there, so after you download the wallet or add it to your browser, you'll be asked to create a password, which I recreated, and then you'll be given your seed phrase, so keep that in a safe place. From there, you'll click on these lines up here, and you'll request testnet Sui tokens. So I've already done that several times. I already have tokens. For some reason, they're not loading here, but I already have some tokens, but you can do this a few times, and then you'll go back, and you get the free tokens after you've already signed up. Then you'll want to go into the Sui Discord. So you'll click here, Sui Discord. You'll have to sign up for Discord if you haven't done that already. And then you will have to go through the verification process to make sure you're an actual human. They'll take you to a couple different websites. Just again, follow the link. Then you have to do something that's a little bit weird. You have to go to the developer section and then enter DevNet Faucet channel. You need to put this !faucet and then your wallet address. So if you don't know where your wallet address is, you can just go back to the Sui wallet and it will be right over here. So you can just copy this, go back to Discord, and it will be right down here, DevNet Faucet, and you can actually see a lot of people are typing this in. So you just copy and paste this, the !faucet. I'll just type it in here because I don't have it already copied, and then type that in, and then you hit enter. I've already done this though, so I don't believe it'll work. Yeah. So after you type that in, then it will say Burr, and mine was up here somewhere, saying that you'll have basically 5 test Sui heading to your wallet. So then keep an eye on your wallet. That's the number one thing that you have to do. Then you can get your decentralized identity. Keep in mind that we don't know exactly who would get the airdrop at this point, so this is just a variety of different things that you can do to try to gain access to this potential airdrop so you can connect again and get a decentralized identity for the Sui ecosystem. And you can follow this, Sui names, connect your wallet, look up any name you choose. If the name is accessible, a claim prompt will appear. Just click it and authorize it from your wallet. Next, you can choose activate name and approve from wallet. Or you can also create NFT creations on the Sui blockchain. Access the website and link your Sui wallet here. Give it a name, provide a brief description, click create, and then accept the deal. Now check the generated services. Check the generated service name and NFT by opening your wallet. Then to acquire the token rewards, go to the website and link your wallet here. Grab the test tokens, swap, use the swap function, choose tokens to be swapped after choosing market order limit, order in USDT and DAI, enter the desired amount, click swap. So that is a lot of what's covered here. You can always scroll down further. There are a couple other things you can do, but keep in mind that this is not confirmed as of now. This is all just what we think will happen. And of course, we're going to have to see how it all shakes out, who actually gets the tokens. But keep in mind that, again, airdrops can give you thousands or at least, hundreds, tens of dollars, and can be quite profitable. So I would suggest going through with the link underneath the video. I have no affiliation to this website or anything like that, but I would suggest doing your own research, seeing if it's worth your time. I think it is. I mean, this took me maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and I might get hundreds or thousands of dollars from it. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you want to see future videos just like this, you can hit the subscribe button underneath the video. I might talk about Sui in the future as well, talk about the token, talk about utility, that kind of thing. Keep in mind, if you're looking at Sui at some point in the future after the airdrop, a lot of the times these airdrops come, there's a lot of excitement, the price spikes up and then starts to trail off. And I don't like to buy the airdrops if I'm not already included. I don't like to buy when the airdrop happens and start buying when everyone's dumping, because a lot of people will dump their tokens right away. So keep that in mind. Keep your head about you when you get the tokens. I would probably think about taking some profits, especially because it's free, right? There's no downside to taking a little bit off the table, especially if you're going to make a significant amount. And this does look like an interesting token, interesting project. So maybe you want a little bit of a moon bag or hold some of the crypto, so that way if it spikes up in price, you have some just in case. Now, let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. Again, do your own research. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.